The journey of a lifetime, family. This is Bomani time. I'm here with my good brethren Isis.
Yes, I am.
Yes, family. And as you can see, the black and gray edition of the Africa for the Africans Ghana Repatriation Investment Tours T-shirt. And talking about Ghana Repatriation Investment Tours, me and Isis have talked about Africa over the years, and we connect on the reason why we should reconnect to our roots. Now, Isis, what are some of the most important reasons why ones from the diaspora should reconnect to the motherland, especially a country like Ghana, which has their history in place for them to reconnect to?
Well, first thing I would say to ones, first off, don't believe the lies. Africa is on the rise.
Right.
You know? So we have to take this time to invest our time and money into our own land again, because Africa's waiting for us. It's like we invest time and money in this country and don't realize that everything comes from Africa. All the investments all over the world is really coming from Africa. So what we have to do as Africans over here in America is to buy and invest in Africa once again. Ghana is opening hands for us to come home, and it's waiting for us right now. So my brother Bomani is doing a great work, because he's making it possible for our brothers and sisters from here for this diaspora to reach home and to see what they can invest their time and money and energy into, and have fun at the same time.
Yes, family.
So that's what we need to do. We need to come together, get back to our heritage, or I say forward, because we've been back too long. Yeah. We need to get forward to our heritage and our roots in Africa. So this is a chance for ones to come forward and learn about your heritage, you know what I mean? Because it's a great heritage. I mean, walk this journey with my brother. He takes ones through a great journey, and I see the benefits in ones when they come home. They have like actually new people. They don't even see themselves in the same gender anymore,
right.
They actually made new friends, new family. And that's what we need to do, because as Africans, we have to connect, and unify. That's what Marcus Garvey spoke of. He spoke of Africans for the Africans, at home and abroad. So us as African people, we have to invest our time right now in Africa. So I'm looking forward for all ones to be on this next journey with my brethren of a lifetime.
Yes, family, and that's what I'm talking about, family. Join the journey of a lifetime, because with the journey of a lifetime, what we have set up is where it's not just a trip to Africa. You're talking about reconnecting to the roots, culture, linking with business investment. You're talking about nightlife, shopping, network. You're talking about a full balance of experience. And I feel like if we're going to reconnect to our roots, reconnect to a balance of experience of Africa, we can't just go by one or two things that the African continent is about. You're talking about the greatest continent that the world has, the continent, the birth of civilization. And we have a special journey. The journey of a lifetime deals with that must needed connection, just like any other race or culture of people who return to the land of their ancestors. For us, it's about nation building all the way around. We must work together strong to build a strong Africa. And I feel the way to do it is to join a journey. We go every October. October 2014 and 2015 is our next journey. So we are closing out October 2014. So family, get ready. Get your registration and deposits ready to join us on this journey of a lifetime for 2015. We got all kinds of highlights and things to show you, and there's so much great investment opportunities available.
Hey, my brethren is international, so look, pick up that telephone, and you can call this brother. He got 2 numbers for you. One here in America and one in Africa, so he stay on the move,
Yeah, absolutely.
This brother is one of the busiest Africans I know. For us as a people though, not for itself, And man, building our nation. So I'm telling you, get on your phone, cell phone, get on your computers, and check this out, because we ain't just talking this, we living it, So y'all be prepared. Africa for the Africans, man.
And the website is africafortheafricans.org. And once you get to the website, family, you'll see the previous 8 journeys in Ghana we've done, and the upcoming 9th journey. And also the 10th journey that we have set up for next year. You're talking about a decade of traveling to the African continent. 8 countries in all total, but Ghana is a special one because that's the one that has the most to do with our reconnection. It's serious, family. Reconnect to the roots, link with Bomani and the family, and take your journey of a lifetime.
Wow.